guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back for a brand new video. So for today's video, we're doing something a bit different that I've not done before. We're doing like a Sunday reset, clean with me, whole house is a mess, so I need to sort it out kind of video. I need to do a food shop. There's just like little bits that I need to do today, so I thought I'd film it for you all because I know a lot of people enjoy watching these kind of videos and I've never filmed one, so here we are. So I'm not sure what day this is actually going live, but it's Sunday for me, so maybe I'll save it till Sunday, so it's like a Sunday kind of vibe. Just got up, changed all the bed sheets because they get dirty so fast because Kobe likes to run and jump on our bed sheets basically, so he'll go downstairs in the morning, Oak will let him out, he'll do whatever he wants to outside, I'll still be in bed, he'll run upstairs, run in our room and jump straight in the bed, so there's always mud on the bed. I have to change these bed sheets quite a lot, but there's literally no better feeling than fresh bed sheets. I feel like that is the perfect way to start your Sunday, changing all the bed sheets, giving the room a clean, a vac. The whole house needs a clean and a vac. Cobra's molting so bad. There's literally Cobra's hair everywhere. Oak goes to golf on a Sunday, so I feel like a Sunday is the perfect day to just have some peace, play my music and clean the whole house. I did it last week and it was the best thing ever, so Oak, you can keep going to golf every week. I get a nice peaceful Sunday every week. That'd be great. So here's the freshly changed bed. The sheets are from Primark. I'm gonna get questions on these pillows. These 5 are all from B&M. Then the 2 big ones are from Amazon. Bed is from Ambassador Frames. Lights from B&Q, frames are from Desenio and the prints are from Asda. There we go. If you would have watched the moving vlogs, you'd know all that, but just for the people that didn't watch them, that's where all the bits are from, because I always get questions on stuff like that. Oh my god, a memory card! Oh my god! I've lost all my memory cards and I don't know where they are, and I've just found one on my bedroom floor. So that's great, I'll use that. Now that this is all clean, I usually would vac it, but the vac is on charge. If you've got a cordless vac, then you know the struggles of it literally lasting 20 minutes then dying. And if you don't put it on charge last time you use it, you go to use it and you're like, oh shit, it's still dead. So it's on charge. So I'm going downstairs, start cleaning the kitchen and then vac the whole house, basically. Cobra's hair is everywhere. So let's go and clean the kitchen. Here's where we're at with the kitchen. I've just got to put all this away. To be fair, that's just recycling. That's for Devon. And then over here, here's the vac. It's been on charge for so long and it's still only got 2 bars. Put this washing up away, wash this up. I'm gonna put this HelloFresh box probably up here so it's out the way. Basically just like wipe everything down, spray everything, and then once the vac is actually charged, we can vac. Where can I put you while I clean the kitchen? Okay, other than vacuuming and mopping, the kitchen's pretty much done. I'm also filming this for TikTok. But I need to get, when I go out shopping today, a new one of these. Because it's like metal, it's like rusting and going on the thing. So that needs to go in the bin. It needs to get a new one and then need to bleach this to get all like the rust marks off. I'm just making Cobe some scrambled egg. Right, so here's what the living room's looking like. It's not too bad. This sofa, it's like a year old and it looks like this, which is really annoying. But you just have to fluff them up. But as soon as you sit on it, it looks like this again anyway. So we're going to fluff all the sofa off. We have this blanket on here all the time because this is where Kobe likes to jump off. And if we don't, then he gets his muddy paws all over it, which we don't want. And I've bought in like the glass cleaner for this because this is a bit dusty. We'll dust that. Got to take these lights upstairs. I filmed a video with Grace, Em and Jack on Tuesday and they're still down here, so they need to go up. So mainly in here it's just literally fluff the sofa, vac, mop. Mr. Bear wants to go out but it keeps raining. We'll clean this mirror too. Yeah, it's not too bad. Oh my god, look, this is what I mean about the hair. It is literally everywhere. This one, there isn't much saving it, to be honest. bought these blankets. I use them and then literally chuck them back in, but that just doesn't really look nice, does it? Also the curtains on top of that, because otherwise it'd get dirty if Cope's running in and out. And it stopped raining, so he's allowed outside. The vac's nearly charged now as well, so I will be able to vac everywhere. And after that, it's just the bathroom to do, really. I don't know what it is about cleaning on a Sunday. There's just something about it that's just so peaceful. And I also feel like having a fresh house from like a start of a Monday just sets you up for a good week. So that is what we're doing, making sure the house is nice and clean. It wasn't too messy, to be fair, because I do it like every Sunday. It's not like it takes me hours, do you know what I mean? But also today I need to do a food shop, and I also need to take Cope out for a walk, and I'm going out for a meal later, so I need to do all of this. Well, really by 4 o'clock, because the shop's shut at 4 on a Sunday. I need to go to Asda, I need to go to Sainsbury's, and I need to go to Pets at Home. Cobra Smith is out of dry biscuits. Big blanket is the best blanket in the whole world. It's from B&M, obviously, but it's a pain to try and squeeze into the basket. You know what this basket kind of looks like now? You know when you get pan and ice, them ice cream rolls? That's what it's giving. Blankets, done. Now we can back everywhere. Oh, I need to take the lights upstairs as well. Oh, there's a spider. And it's quite a big spider. He's gonna have to stay there till I've finished. Please don't move, Mr. Spider. All downstairs is vaxed, and now I'm going to vac all of upstairs. But before I do that, I'm going to put one of these in the toilet. I like to use these pink stuff toilet foam things. I like to leave it to sit for half an hour, so I'm going to put this in now. Vac all upstairs, and then we can get to cleaning the bathroom. Oh, and what's happened to my wife? You literally get these from like B&M, Asda, wherever. I usually pick them up from B&M because they're quite cheap, so I'm going to pop one of these into the toilet. And it foams up. I'm just going to leave that while I vac everywhere else. Clean the bathroom. I'm going to do the toilet last so I can stay in there longer. Basically what I do is I use the glass cleaner to spray this side and the other side of this, the mirror, that kind of thing, and then I'm going to use the bleach spray, this flash one, and I've also got a scrubber in this cupboard. This scrubber, I basically just bleach all the bath and scrub everywhere, and then I also scrub the tiles, the shower head, all that kind of stuff, and then I'll just use like a multi-purpose spray to do everywhere else. I'll put my music on. This job usually takes me the longest, but I don't really have much time to spend time doing it today, so I'm just going to do like a quick version of it, I hope. It definitely won't be quick though, because realistically I'm going to have to do it all properly anyway, so enjoy the time lapse. Right, we've switched cameras because I'm going to go and do a food shop now. Cleaning is done. I do need to mop everywhere, but it keeps raining. So there's no point in mopping just because Cope will go outside, come in, bring his muddy paw prints in, or I'll take him for a walk, muddy paw prints, so I'm going to wait to mop. But I'm just going to grab some bags. That's how you know you've reached peak adulthood. You bring your own carrier bags to the supermarket. I've actually got quite a trek for shopping now. I'm going to go to Asda first to do like our main food shop because Asda's our favourite supermarket. And then we're going to go to Sainsbury's to get some chicken because Oak likes the chicken tikka that they do. And then I'm going to go to Pets at Home, which is right next to Sainsbury's, and get Cobra's food because he's run out of dry biscuits. I'm back on the Sony, guys, can you tell? My Sony was broke for ages, but I finally sent it off to be repaired. Right, let's walk and talk. I've sent it off to be repaired. And it was under warranty. I was like, yeah, wasn't it? It's under warranty. Sent it off. But because I'd sent it back with a battery in it that wasn't Sony, I had to pay for. I was like, you actually, what, really? If I'd put a Sony battery in it, the problem still would have happened. So it doesn't matter whether the battery's Sony or whether the battery's the ones that I got on Amazon. It still broke, but because I didn't send it with the Sony battery in, I had to pay for it, which is annoying. Bye, Cobes. See you in a bit. Love you. Oh, I love having a clean house. Looking for a new cutlery holder, but I'm not sure they're going to have any because they've got like the washing up stuff here in the bowls, but no cutlery holders. Asda is complete, and now we're at Sainsbury's. Let's go. They didn't have any bagels in Asda, so I've got to get bagels from here as well. So the list is bagels, Krispy Kremes, candles, and chicken. Random list, but you know. Final stop is Pets at Home. We usually get these huge bags, but the only one they've got here is for up to 1 year. I need the one that's up to 2, but they haven't got any, so I think I'm just going to have to get the small bags today. I might get 2 of these actually. This is what we usually get in, but like that size. We're just going to have to get 2 of these today. Oh, these bags are heavy. Oh. Hi. I'm going to give you all a haul of all the stuff I just bought. Cobra's joined me. So obviously, Cobra's food. In Sainsbury's, they didn't have the chicken that I wanted, and all sold out. I feel like it's a bad move going to any shops at like nearly 4 o'clock on a Sunday expecting them to have stock. So I've just picked up this sweet and smoky barbecue chicken just so I can have like some wraps tomorrow. And then tomorrow I'll have to go to Sainsbury's, which is kind of long. Bagels. I did want the bagel thins because I want to be a skinny queen. But they didn't have any, so normal bagels it is. There's no Krispy Kreme standing in my Sainsbury's, so I had to get Oak to get them on his way home from Asda by him. Got some candles for Ben's Krispy Kremes. So that's Sainsbury's. And Asda, 2 packs of wraps. These are the best wraps ever, the Mission ones. And then for when Oak's mum comes around, I've got a vanilla latte and a double choc mocha because she likes those. Some tuna for Oak, roast. Some macaroni in case of a mac and cheese emergency. 2 packs of baby button mushrooms. These are the only mushrooms that I like. I don't know what it is, but if the bigger they are, the more I'm like, ugh. I'm trying to get like a healthier vibe, so I'm going to have like chicken and mushrooms for dinner. That's the plan. Sweet potatoes for Oak. We got a hot Nando's sauce, the best sauce ever. Some sugar for my tea. This was a really random purchase, but we need new fitted sheets for the beds, and I can never find nice ones. I got some from Primark the other day, and they're so thin. They're actually just kind of pointless. Like you would have seen me putting it on the bed this morning. It's so thin you can literally see through it. This one from Asda, it's Cool Touch. It was £12, I think. I got a king size one because the double ones always just pop off our bed. We got some spinach for Oak's wraps and for Otto. 2 packs of tender stem broccoli, also for Oak. Spring onions for Oak. Whenever I do a food shop, I'm like, what have I actually bought for me? Because it's always just for Oak. And I'm like, how do I even survive through the week? What am I eating? So I don't know if Oak's gonna like these, but Lindell's protein pudding, chocolate. And then 2 of the Asda protein yogurts, but they only had strawberry, so I got 2 of them. I don't think he's keen on strawberry, but you know what? You get what you're given. Packs of chicken for Cobes, just as like a treat or on top of his dinner. These cheese sauces are 4 for £2.50, so I've got 4 of these when I make mac and cheese. I just like to be stocked up with these in the cupboard. Pasta sauce, this one's creamy herb and tomato. Just checking it's not going to rain because I'm washing it out. And then I'm getting back into my smoothies again. I love frozen smoothies, so I get Morello cherries, this is all frozen fruit by the way. Some raspberries, it's kind of not frozen anymore. Some frozen strawberries and frozen blueberries. You put all these in a blender, a little bit of honey, water, blend it, chef's kiss. That's what I'm going to be having for my breakfast for the next however long until it runs out. And then I got some more toilet cleaner because I ran out earlier. Wash, this is the best wash ever, it's the Summer Fruits one by Robinson's. I've got some cheese. I get this cheap cheese, I feel like cheese to me all tastes the same, so I get the cheap one. A big meal, 2 packs of chicken breasts for mine and Oak's dinner for the next probably week or so. Some sugar-free Fanta fruit twists. These literally taste the same as normal fruit twists. You can't even tell that they're sugar-free. And then the last bag, there's not a lot in here. We got some tea bags. I'm a techie tea bag kind of girl. What tea bag kind of person are you? To be honest though, I'm not fussy. I'll drink any tea. And then I just picked up 2 packs of 12 large eggs because we've nearly got through that 24 pack that I showed you not that long ago. And that is it. That is everything that I picked up from Asda, so I'm going to put it away now. You okay, Bubba? There's more water. You need more water. You run out of water. Are you frozen? Okay, frozen. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Give me that. I don't know what it is. I can't tell. just come back and put Cobra for a walk, so while he's out I'm going to mop all the floors, so hopefully they're dry by the time he gets back. Alexa, play Calculator Renewed.